Hello, amazing people. I hope you're doing well today. Welcome back. Or if this is your first time, boy, do I have a treat for you because we are going over AI and automation for small businesses, specifically spa owners and people in the medical field, guys. Spas hold a special place in my heart. I go there every once in a while, a few times a year, just to relax. Life is hard, so it's nice to relax for a day, get everything right mentally, physically. So shout out to all my spa owners and people in the medical industry, people that own medical practices in general. Shout out to all you guys. I really hope this video comes across and gives you some great value and helps you save time, guys. All right, so I'm happy to see all of you here, spa owners or people in the industry abroad, business owners as well. Let's do this, guys. I have some really cool stuff to show you, and you are miles ahead of the game. AI just came out. People are trying to learn about it. You are miles ahead of the game by just being here today, being curious, paying attention, guys. So grab a meal, watch this video. It's gonna be some crazy cool information to help you out in your business journey. Okay, if you really want to learn more about this and if you're serious about this, because AI is the next wave, guys, it's the revolution. It's gonna happen, and don't get left behind by it. It's here to help you. It's here to save you time and make you some money, so you don't have to work as hard but get the same results. Okay, so AI for business owners, the Inner Circle, that is a Facebook group I created completely for free. It's a very good group of individuals that are from all niches, all parts of the world, and are all trying to learn more about AI and implementing it into their business to make their life easier. The first 50 people actually get a free AI audit from me. We're going to go into your business and see how AI could help and set you up with that. So that is cool. Just say I am coming from the spa video, and I will get you all set up with a free AI audit just for you. Okay, but let me know. Are you a spa owner? Are you a spa employee? If you're an owner, oh my gosh, I'm going to show you some awesome stuff. If you are an employee, tell your boss about this and ask for a raise as well, because you're going to show them some awesome stuff right now, okay? So AI is artificial intelligence, as you may know. It's a simulation of human intelligence by machines, but it's not Will Smith and iRobot, guys. Like, the robots and AI, they're not coming to do your jobs for you and do the spa treatments for you. Like, that's not what it is. We're basically leveraging AI to save us time on tasks that you should not be doing as a business owner, responding to emails and some other tedious things that may eat up your time as a business owner. That is what AI is here to help with, okay? It's not becoming a robot and taking your job, okay? Not in our lifetime, at least, let's hope. Okay, now, lead generation, customer support, personal recommendations, and employee onboarding. These are all great use cases for spas in general and businesses abroad, okay? There's so many things you can do. These are just 4 specific topics that I wanted to dive a little bit into today, and we are going to go over a live bot demo in a second here, so I am excited to show you that, all right? Now let's hop into this. Lead generation is the process of taking people from awareness to qualification, all right? It's from taking someone from your website to a booked call, to a consultation, to a paid service, all right? And that process we call nurturing. Guys, nurturing is making sure your client feels welcome, making sure you're answering their question, making sure you're giving them great customer support, and that is sort of what a AI chatbot, you could call it, or AI system can do for you, okay? Now, let me show you what this actually looks like. I am in the Chicago area. Shout out where you're from. If you join the Facebook group, definitely shout out where you're from. We have some people all over the world in there, so that's really cool. But this is just a luxury spa within my area, okay? Random website. I built out a simple chatbot that's gonna help these people with customer service, with lead generation, and with some other stuff, guys. All right, so ignore all this other stuff, but let's just say hi and interact with this bot here that is built for this website. All right, so we're gonna let it do its thing, let it recognize the message, and boom. Personalized spa assistant today, how can I help you? So they can make an appointment, which is really cool. Let's just go with information. Okay, ask me an open-ended question, which is really important. Do you provide? All right, so this is not like a multiple choice thing. The system could answer open-ended questions, guys, like this. For example, look, these are the services they provide: wellness events, wellness massages, wellness retreats, and stuff like that. Yes, let's see what else we could learn from this bot, guys, because this all happens 24/7, and as a business owner, it's essential to have 24/7 customized support to your audience, and you don't have to pay anyone for this, guys. You can literally just implement it for your business. It's amazing. Where are you located? Let's see. These are very common questions that should be able to be answered instantly. You don't need a VA or an assistant to handle these. Boom, look at that. Right, now the customer could literally go to your place of business because your website directed them to it. I mean, how powerful is that, guys? I don't want to take up too much time with the demo, but you could see the possibilities. And that is literally 5% out of 100 of the capabilities of what a system like this could do for you. It's that powerful, guys. I've seen some crazy stuff that I'll show in later videos in the Facebook group, but that is just a little bit of the power of how AI and some chatbots and some automation can help you out within your business. All right, so that's lead generation. It also goes hand in hand with customer support. So great customer support means happy customers. Happy customers is a happy business. A great business is a great life for the business owner, which is you. All right, so that's essential. And customer support, with this AI system, you could have automated follow-ups, personalized support, answering FAQs. You could send people reminders of an appointment they have. You could answer patients' questions like we just did here. And you could give them specific product recommendations. So you could ask them questions, and based on their input to the questions, you could give them a specific gel they should be using, a specific spa package that they might be interested in. So there's so many things you could do, and this is all within your website, guys, all within your website. All right, so that's another pretty obvious but very powerful use case for AI within a spa niche or within a medical or business niche, okay? Now let's go to personalized recommendations, one of my favorite, guys. Insanely important part of the customer experience is feeling like the customer has to feel like the help that they're receiving is tailored for you. Like, have you ever asked a question and received a broad answer like, dude, like that's the answer for everyone. I'm my own person. I need a specific help for me, right? You need specific help for yourself, guys. So you have to provide that experience to every single person that walks through the door of your business or that is interested in your business. You have to give them tailored support to them, make them feel helped, make them feel like an individual and a special person that you are helping. All right, that's the experience you have to create, and AI and the system can do this for you. It provides instant and accurate support, saves the time of the employees, so the employees don't have to handle all these like spam emails with basic questions that can be found on the website. That's just annoying. That's a waste of time. That's a waste of money, guys. Answering FAQs and providing instant, accurate support is a huge part of personal recommendations and a huge thing that this AI system could do. All right, so a person could ask an open-ended question like I did, and it could get much more specific. I just gave you a little demo there. And these questions are answered correctly. Number one, that's the most important thing. They're answered correctly, and they're answered instantly. All right, and then upsells is a thing where the bot could literally recommend like, hey, you might like this package, go check it out. Or you might like this, let's schedule a consultation. So that AI system, it could do it for you, and it could upsell your services to anyone that comes across your social media or your website, okay? That's personalized recommendations. And then employee onboarding, we call this an internal solution, all right? This is within the business, within the owner and the employees, right? You can have all of your staff's FAQs answered instantly and answered accurately. It saves the time of the business owner, and it's pretty easy automated. It's easy to automate. So essentially, think about a business owner that has 10 employees. Say 10 employees every single day ask that business owner one question. That one question takes, 5 minutes to answer. All right. All of a sudden, if the business owner is answering every single one of these 10 employees' questions and it takes them 5 minutes, the business owner just wasted 50 minutes of their precious day. That's a lot of time. That is a lot of time. So instead, we could feed all of the information from the business owner into a system just like this. And instead of the employee going to the business owner for a question that could be easily answered, it could go and interact with a system like this and get an accurate response, just like the business owner would give them. But instead, the business owner doesn't have to waste time. They could just give them this and say, hey, please go interact with this before you have any questions that you want to bring to me. All right. So I hope you see how powerful that is alone for an internal solution within your business, guys. And again, this is pretty easy to set up. If you want more info, just hop in the Facebook group and I can help you out with it. All right. That one is one of my favorite solutions, guys. Save your time as a business owner. It's the most important thing you have. All right. And if you're an employee, save your boss some time. He'll give you a raise, or she will give you a raise. Okay. So those are the 4 things I really wanted to talk about. Again, there are so many solutions, guys, that I can't cover today. That's just the tip of the iceberg, truly. With AI and automation, I mean, the use cases are insanely vast and they're becoming more powerful each and every day. Okay. So think about time saved. If you save an hour a day across all employees, you're saving 30 hours a month. 30 hours a month for a business could be $10,000 saved. Seriously, I've seen businesses that are operating at such a high cost and paying employees X amount of money, where if you save them an hour a day, you're saving them thousands of dollars a month and hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. So it's that powerful. Time saved is money made in this business. You have to start automating and paying attention to AI. All right, so be curious, comment any questions you have. I would love to see where you're from. If you own a spa, if you are an employee, or if you're in the niche of spa and sort of self-care, let me know. That's really cool. And again, you are invited to the inner circle. First 50 people do get a free AI audit. Literally just join the group. I'll reach out to you and say, hey, I came from the spa video. Let me claim my AI audit, and I will give you your AI audit. It's going to help you out so much, and I can't wait for that. All right, so guys, that's all I had for you. Again, be curious, ask me questions, Pay attention to AI and automation. It's the next wave. And don't be scared of it. Embrace it. It's here to help you. It's here to save you time. It's here to make you money. And it's here to make you and your team have an easier life and an easier day-to-day operation within your business, within your niche. So you can do what you do and just provide a service, and you don't have to worry about all the other boring stuff. All right. So let me know what you think. I'll see you in the Facebook group, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.